Welcome back to Car Flair. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting camper van releases of the year, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome. This all-new camper van blends the reliability Toyota is known for with modern design, off-grid capability, and everything you need for life on the road. The first thing that grabs your attention is the sleek and aerodynamic body. Toyota has completely reimagined the exterior, offering a fresh, futuristic look that's still practical for adventure. LED lighting, blacked-out trim, and rugged all-terrain tires make this camper look as good at a campsite as it does on the highway. It rides on a high-clearance chassis, meaning you can comfortably tackle forest roads or mountain trails without hesitation. Under the hood, the 2025 Toyota Motorhome features a hybrid powertrain that balances power and efficiency. It's quiet, responsive, and perfect for long-distance travel. You can expect excellent fuel economy, which is rare in vehicles this size. Toyota also offers an optional all-wheel drive system, ideal for campers planning to hit snow, sand, or muddy backroads. Inside, this camper van is all about smart use of space. The layout is both functional and comfortable. You get a rear lounge area that converts into a full-size bed, a compact kitchenette with an induction cooktop, fridge, and sink, and a wet bath with a toilet and shower. Everything is designed to feel open and airy, with large windows and light wood finishes that bring in natural brightness. Toyota has packed in a ton of tech, too. The central touchscreen controls everything from climate to lighting and water levels. Solar panels on the roof help charge the house battery, and there's even a pop-up roof option for extra headroom or an additional sleeping area. USB ports, 120 volts outlets, and Wi-Fi connectivity make it easy to stay powered and connected wherever you are. What really sets the 2025 Toyota camper apart is the attention to detail. From hidden storage compartments to eco-friendly materials and optional heated floors, Toyota clearly had the full-time traveler in mind. It feels more like a compact luxury apartment than a camper van, without losing that rugged edge you want for exploring off-grid. Whether you're chasing the weekend or planning a cross-country journey, this new Toyota camper offers everything you need in one smart, stylish package. It's efficient, versatile, and built with the kind of quality that makes you feel confident on every mile. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Car Flair for more in-depth looks at the newest rides on the road.